Installation video for the in-wall media box by mountit. Select and remove the knockout holes. Identify the desired knockout locations on the media box for cable entry based on your installation needs. Use a utility knife, standard scissors, or a cutting tool to score along the tabs holding the knockout in place. Either fully cut the tabs or score them, then carefully break them to remove the knockout. Recessed drywall installation option. The enclosure will be installed between two wall studs. Locate the studs with a stud finder and mark the open area between the studs with a pencil. Tape or hold the mounting template onto the drywall where you want to install the media box. Use a level to ensure the template is straight, then trace the outside of the template. Cut along the traced lines to create the opening in the drywall. Ensure the metal mounting tabs on the media box are fully retracted. Then insert the media box into the wall opening. Rotate the 4 side screws to extend the metal tabs behind the drywall and secure the box in place. Wood stud installation option. Position the media box between 2 wall studs, ensuring the front flange rests flush against the wall surface. Use a level to ensure the media box is properly aligned. Mark the mounting holes on the studs through the side flanges of the media box. Pre-drill holes at each marked location using a 5/64" drill bit to a depth of 1.2 inches. Secure the media box to the studs using the mounting screws. Install an electrical box and run the cables behind the wall with a conduit. Install the mounting bracket and secure media components. Hook the mounting bracket into the slots inside the media box. Adjust the width of the mounting bracket to accommodate your components, then tighten the knobs down to secure them in place. Attach the elastic band to the built-in hooks on the mounting bracket to secure media devices such as streaming boxes or adapters. Use the cable ties to fasten cables or smaller components through the slots located on the back panel of the media box. Install the ventilated cover plate. Press the ventilated cover plate into place until it securely clicks or snaps into position. TV wall mount placement. If you plan to install a TV mount over the media box, use spacers between the TV mount and the wall. This ensures the mount does not press directly against the media box, which could cause damage to the drywall or the box itself. For more installation options, reference the installation manual.